So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to remove extension from VSCode. Firstly, launch VSCode and open the Extensions Marketplace view by clicking the extensions icon on the left-hand activity toolbar. It looks like 4 blocks and one is popping out. Or you can press the keyboard shortcut by clicking on Ctrl plus Shift plus X. Now use the search bar at the top of the extensions panel to type the name of the extension you want to get rid of, for example Java or Live Server. Now look through the results list. Any extension that is currently active on your computer will display a small gear icon in its bottom right corner rather than a blue install button. Just click the gear icon next to the target extension and select uninstall from the context drop menu. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. And drop a comment down below letting us know what to cover next. And I will see you on the next video.